Look at that. 500,000. What was yesterday? Traded before the open? 300,000. So it's twice the volume. Something happened here. Some volume was inserted, which is nice. So look at, wait, what? Okay, yesterday's high, yesterday's low, yesterday's high, yesterday's low. Oh, okay, we see that from this one. So we don't really have to think. Maybe that could actually go. No. Okay, so it's yesterday's, right? Let's see. For today's profile. Do I need today's profile? I mean, like, I'm not trading Globex. So today there's some, like, range is actually super duper huge. We went from 800s to 400 points. Interesting. We'll probably have to deal with one contract today. Also, we'll see how about this one. Right? What? So yesterday was a loss. Also, the day before was a loss. Also, and day before it was a wait, what? Yeah, it was a loss. So 3 days in a row losses. Monday was a victory. Or was it? Maybe. So that was a Monday? 5th? Nah, 8th. That was a Monday. Oh, brother. On a daily, we are nowhere. Like, that's... I mean... that is stupid. Such a long nothing. Such a long nothing. So today I'm trading everything on ES, but on MNQ I'm trading only green and red positives. I mean, longs and shorts after green or red. Directionals. So we don't trade reversals, we trade today directions. If we have reversal, that means that's choppy shit. If we have direction, that means that we're in a good range. Good trend, maybe. So today, I don't know. I can lose both. I can win one. I can win both. That would be the greatest. But in today's market, I mean, I'm not expecting these days market is still shit. Except that today we had a lot of movement. So maybe we would like to be running for some liquidities, for some yesterday's highs or yesterday's lows, which very often happens, and that's what could today possibly happen. Run for yesterday's low, right? But actually we swept that. But like at the open, if I would have to bet, I would bet for yesterday's, right? Yeah, shorting the market. I am shorting the market with everybody. And shorts still coming, still good. That is the first area. If we will run for yesterday's low, can review up. So that's like this red, not looking good for me. So we touched yesterday's value low. Plus on top of that, we will soon be coming to the VWAP. And still we have halfway for yesterday's low. It might be a very long, big opening range. We know that I am not trading red for longs unless it flips. We still have 2.5 minutes to flip it green, and then we go for yesterday's high, which is a very good idea would be. I know we have to still be in this trade, but two contracts, 1 minute left. This might be a good trade actually. Maybe for lows, for yesterday's lows, a little bit more, you know. If we just could That flipped, the delta flipped positive, but this one has negative delta, this one has positive delta. It's dropping, but it has positive delta, so we might actually go for longs. And as I remember, green negative, but okay, it's not gonna happen. 35 seconds. And you know what's gonna happen straight up. We have to at least have this on this chart. Oh man, it's getting longer. Still two contracts, but now again the risk increased as always. I cannot be in one. Still have to be in. Okay, I'll just have to. And remember this? Remember this? What happened last time? That is crazy. If this is happening again, that would be a crazy, crazy move. Yeah, there was like also, it's even more this time. It's like 5 ticks. But the last time it happened the same thing. It was 2 ticks and I was in the trade and it was for nothing. That was for nothing. I remember it clearly. So now the question is it a history repeating or not? Or is just so I would be a loser right now if I would be the same mistake. Red negative. I don't even have. I have nothing on red negative. No. Anti on green negative. Wow, if that was come back and now we flip and go, that would be amazing, right? But by the way, yeah, that's good. When the liquidity is gone right there, like that would be now in my eyes. I didn't do that, but I would rate, I don't know. Now it's coming to A. If we hit it, I would say A at this point. And you, okay, so I will write it down. This one is A for shorts. And that one would be B for longs. B because I kind of like it's very close, to be fair with you, in yesterday's range. Yes, it's pushing up, so probably like this trade will not even happen, which would be 55% chance, by the way. 55% chance. Imagine that. Oh, was it a wick? There's a lot of green positiveness in here. Oh wow, this okay. What do Russells do? Russell's pumping. And yes, pumping will definitely go through this area where will be some liquidity. So yeah, we will not be in the trade. That is like, well, anything can happen. Like this is the same situation where it happens now, like 2 days in a row. Here, yesterday we have click and come back. Okay, we had then pretty shitty things. And day before, I wasn't trading. Yeah, I wasn't trading. Here also, click in, come back and flush. Kick in. Come back and go up. Like it's the same bets. Okay, we might get filled. Oh boy, let's go. At this point, I have nothing to lose. Like it's a for me. Like it went down and went up, grabbed everything else, bouncing on weave up. Now we're going down. 500, 600. I mean, yesterday's low, it's there. Well, that's not good. Yesterday's low could be lower, but we still have room to the downside. Some room. Let's see how we're gonna proceed. I think we will be proceeding with very lots of speed and slippage to the downside. By the way, waiting for something? No, that was at 15:30. Right here, there was something. Yes, it's dodging. Still, it has 0.5. Now we just don't have anything else. That is, yeah. One thing that I've learned from everything here, trading for 2 months, that I can follow my setups, I can be patient, I can follow my rules. One thing that I cannot do is be in the trades where I have to like be, I don't know, improvise, and where I can there was no follow through to the downside. That's the problem. And yes, it's bumping, and it's just, we had to go there just to tag my entry. Here goes my 55% chance of winning. Hmm. I mean, what? That was one tick away, but it's short-lived, I think. Short-lived. Wow, it's stuck in this range. Yeah, I miss winning. To be fair with you, my setups should be winning much more. Okay, yes, now it's going. So we tag that just to be there, and that's it, right? Hmm. I am patient. I can be in the trade. I can put my stop loss. I cannot. I can just not FOMO, not overtrade. I can do what I've said. If I'm coming back to the gamble position where I will just be able to put as many trades as I want, that will ruin myself, ruin everything in my trading. I can guarantee you that. That will just make my, I don't know, I will gamble myself. And I will gamble myself into the big shithole, that's for sure. So right now we're kerfuffling on the, and I said it's an A setup to the downside, right? I said A setup. Now we went through the liquidity. Now we went through orders. Yeah, and we will. Now I understand. If we come back, yeah, I know. We didn't have enough sellers, but if we just jump around. This move was good into my favor, but I see that there's no follow through. We could do this jump to the downside a few more times, you know. Also, yeah, I don't think we have any news today. I mean, we finished with the news. Thursday. Final wholesale inventories month to month at 5 o'clock. I wonder if that is irrelevant. That would be so great to win someday again. Just to remind myself, what is it? What is it? What does it feel to have a win? You know? So we're coming down a little bit slower, which is good considering yesterday I was so fast, you know. And actually, remind me one more thing. There was one trade, the fastest winner, I said, I think, right? There was one fastest winner. Remind me, where was that? Mm, maybe to the long side? Maybe this one. Move knight to stop to break even. Do I want to put it on break even? Because now we will definitely do this. Why? Well, because obviously it's above that level. Like that level is fighting 500s, you know? You will want to bounce up, bounce down, bounce, like do lots of things. And the question is right now, do I want to move my stop loss? Actually, I don't want to move my stop loss. That's the thing. Wow. Wow, my friend. I mean, like I've been in this where how much did I have? Jeez, stop it. Like one, two, three, four, 5 ticks away from disaster out of 400. Yeah. Nice win, by the way, with more than usual. Here. And on yes, reds are better. I don't want to take that trade on yes. Oh, I don't want to take that trade on yes. Well, simply because I want to be a winner with this big win. Big, solid, nice win. You know, that's what I want to be. Oh, bro. And look at the range again. Like, we must have a shitty ass day to win this. Like, this has to go all the way down to win this. You see the range? The last time I saw this big range on ES, I remember there was a day when there was such a huge range on ES, and obviously that one was a huge range comparison to that, but I remember like there was one more. Yeah. Okay, that was not it. Here, here, here. No trades, no. Hmm. Did we win any? Wow. Did we win any long ranges? Like, yes, it's struggling. I don't know, for me it looks like the price did what it had to do, you know what I mean? Price did what it had to do. I cannot expect any more down move. back exactly into yesterday's range. Can go like all the way there, like so dropping. Like feels like the move is happening, you know? Like the move is happening. And on these both, it feels like the move is happening. What does it mean? It means that oh, I'm having troubles putting on this trade, you know. I'm having a lot of trouble. I don't know what to do. 5 minutes left. Like NQ also came to this place where we've been today. This is a very long way. Would it like drop more? I don't know. I would love to see it back down and even not touch it. Well, yes wise, what happened today, what happened yesterday, we still have room, but not a lot. Still moving. Like, can we see what 800s today? I mean, I so don't like this. I so don't like this. Oh my god, fuck. 129. Like, what's the probability of that thing? 129. So that is also with a bigger risk, 2 contracts. Like the probability of that, to to go short. I have to put it. Amaga. Nu tai jau čia vieną tai laimėjau, ją pačią. Dabar šito laukiu. Labai šiaip nenoriu. Tipo reiks daryti dar žemyn, tai ir visą tą, kokia tikimybė yra, kad jisai dar tiek pat nuvažiuos žemyn.
Nelabai yra.
Tiek, o dar aš nežinau ką daryti. Aš tipo privalau.
Kodėl?
Nes labai pyksiu ant savęs, jeigu bus laimėjimas, o aš nebūsiu čia.
Nelabai su.
Bet aš 180.
Mažiau daryk.
Nu, aš taip turiu. Tokia mano strategija. Bet šiaip labai nenorėjau. Man atrodo, kad mes tikrai yra praktiškai neįmanoma dar tiek pat padaryti.
Bus vienas vina.
Vienas lūzas, vienas ir būsiu aš tik taip. Dabar taip gerai buvo. Toks didelis vinas. 3,50. Nu, ir pradėjo buksuoti. Aišku, nesąmonė, blė. Nu, ir čia ką laukti, reikia eiti blynus kepti. Davai nesitrink kaip šmėkla čia. Susigalvok ką nors naudingo nuveikti. Fuck you. Oh, fuck you. Šiandien susinervinau, iš tikrųjų, visai nenorėjau. Žinau, kad čia tokia tikimybė yra, bet dėl tiek prarasti nesąmonė. Šikimas